How to fix auto rotation not working on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix auto rotation not working on Android. If your Android device's auto rotation feature isn't working, there are several ways to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So kindly watch this video to the end, okay? The first step or the first thing to do is to enable the auto rotate option. This is the common reason for auto rotation not working. All right, if your auto rotate option is disabled, and how can you enable this? Once you put on your phone, just pull down the notification panel on the top of your screen, and then once you've done that, look for the auto rotate option. From here you can see several options like flashlight, hotspot, etc, and then you can see auto rotate. Just click on it this way. So once auto rotate is turned on, depending on your phone model, you may need to swipe left to find the auto rotate button, but for me it's directly. So once that is done, your auto rotate would work automatically. All right, and then after trying this and it still doesn't work, the next thing you should learn to do is to avoid touching your phone screens accidentally. This is because sometimes accidental touches can interfere with auto rotation, and it might make your phone to stop working for a while. All right, and then another thing that you can do is to restart your phone. Okay, so restarting your phone can often stop our minor glitches. So after restarting your phone, the auto rotation will definitely start working. All right, so these are the several ways that you can do it. You can also try removing recently installed apps. Some installed apps can cause conflict, allowing your phone to malfunction. All right, so just try all of these, and I'm sure the auto rotation issue would be fixed on your mobile device. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.